In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free hosting and a free domain for your website. Yep, you heard that right, 100% free. And the best part, it's super easy. If you are a beginner and don't want to spend on domain and hosting, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Infinity Free. Open it. Once the website opens, just click Register Now. Fill in your details like email. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Now click Sign Up. After that, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link in your inbox and verify your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can create your hosting account. I have already created an account. Forget it and start making new account by clicking Create Account. Choose your hosting plan. As a beginner, we are going with the free version. This version offers 5 GB disk space free web hosting with unlimited bandwidth. Pretty sweet deal, right? No hidden costs, no strings attached. Choose the free version. Now you have to choose your domain name. Let me clear, a domain name is a unique address that identifies a website, for example, google.com. Suppose I want to start an e-commerce store, so I choose CashQ Shop. You can choose a domain name according to your niche. You can choose a free domain extension provided by Infinity Free, or link your own custom domain if you have one. If you want to buy your custom domain, go to Hosting or click on Domain and search your domain. I am going with cashq.shop. It is available, so you can buy it from there. Go back to Infinity Free tab and click on Check Availability. If it's not available, change your domain name. Here you see the domain name is available. Now scroll down, click on Email Consent and choose I approve. Then click Create Account. Now you have successfully created the account. Click on Control Panel. This screen appears. Scroll down and click I approve. You will be redirected to Control Panel. Now I will tell you how to build a WordPress website. Scroll down to Software category and click the App Installer. Now we are installing WordPress. Click on Install. Scroll down, choose a username and a strong password for your WordPress panel. After that, scroll down and click Install. It takes up to 2 minutes to install. Once it installed, go to the WordPress Manager and click on Login, and you will be logged into your WordPress website manager. You can do a lot more on this to make your website. You can explore your section on your own. Now, let's check out how our website look like. Go to Blog and click Visit your website. There you go, you have finally completed the WordPress website. Another benefit of using Infinity Free, that it also provide free sell certificate. Go to our new site. On the top it show not show. The connection is not secure, but after sell certificate your site is completely secured. Click New Sell Certificate. Now enter your domain, make sure to write without hits, and then click Order. Now your sell certificate is ordered and receive you shortly. You have your own domain and hosting. You can get your website up and running without spending a dime. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.